Ever wondered how much those fancy Ally checks actually cost? You're not alone. We all know Ally for their sleek app and unique banking perks, but what about the old-school check writing? Are they free? Do they cost an arm and a leg? Let's dive in and find out. Now, in today's digital age, checks might seem like relics of the past. Most of us rely on electronic payments, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, the list goes on. But sometimes, good old-fashioned checks are still necessary. Maybe you're paying rent to a landlord who's stuck in the past, or perhaps you're dealing with a contractor who only accepts checks. Whatever the reason, you might find yourself needing those paper slips. And that's where the question arises, how much does it cost to get your hands on Ally checks? Are there any hidden fees lurking around? Let's break it down. First things first, how do you even order Ally checks? It's actually quite straightforward. Log into your Ally bank account. This can be done through the mobile app or the online banking platform. Navigate to the Services or Account Services section. You will usually find this in the main menu. Locate the Order Checks option. It might be under a submenu like Check Ordering or Banking Supplies. Select the type and quantity of checks. Ally likely offers different options like personal checks, business checks, and possibly even specialty checks with unique designs. Review and confirm your order. Double-check the details, including your name, address, and the number of checks you're ordering. Place your order. Once you've reviewed everything, submit your order. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will these checks set you back? Generally, Ally offers competitive pricing for checks. Expect to pay a standard fee per check order. The exact cost will depend on the type and quantity of checks you order. Ally usually provides a clear breakdown of the costs up front. Important note, always refer to Ally's official website or contact their customer service for the most up-to-date and accurate pricing information. Fees can change, so it's crucial to verify before placing your order. While the base cost for the checks themselves is usually straightforward, there might be some additional fees to consider. Rush order fees. If you need your checks quickly, you might have the option to expedite the order. This usually comes with an extra charge. Reorder fees. Some banks charge a small fee for reordering checks, but it's worth checking with Ally's specific policies. Before you hit that order button, consider these alternatives. Electronic payments, as mentioned earlier, embrace digital payment methods whenever possible. They're usually faster, more convenient, and often free. Mobile check deposit. Many banks, including Ally, offer mobile check deposit. This allows you to deposit checks directly through your phone's camera, eliminating the need for physical checks in many situations. Online bill pay. Utilize your bank's online bill pay feature to automate payments for recurring bills, such as rent or utilities. Here are a few tips to minimize the cost of your Ally checks. Order in bulk. Ordering a larger quantity of checks up front can sometimes result in lower per check costs. Look for promotions. Keep an eye out for any special offers or discounts that Ally might be running on check orders. Compare prices. If you're considering switching banks, compare the check ordering fees of different institutions to find the most affordable option. So, there you have it. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on the cost of Ally checks. Remember that prices can change, so always verify the latest information with Ally directly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.